can do that. Summer what? Summer scene? Summer weed? Is that something you eat? Should I cook it? Oh, Summerween. Welcome to the Summerween challenge hosted by the Flippin Bunch. And this challenge is to take take actually 3 pieces from a thrift shop below $25 investment and redecorate it in an early Halloween design for midsummer. It's actually not even midsummer yet. It just barely became summer. Um, yeah, what I did was I washed this already. I mean, it was clean, but I did another washing just to get the dust off and went over it with some alcohol, and I'll show it in the picture right up here. And these I actually started a while ago, and they each have 1 coat of the bonding primer. It's a 1, 2, 3 primer. And this, I actually got this at Dollar Tree. It's glued together. It's really not meant to have like a real plant in it because it would never hold water. But I already gave it a coat, so bear with me on that. And I am going to paint and decorate these in an early fall theme. I gave this little planter 3 nice light coats, and light because I want to be able to do a second coat rather quickly, and I like doing light finishes. And after I get 2 coats on, I'll do the second coat off camera, but after I get 2 coats on, then I'm going to add my decorations. I'll also paint the inside just to make it a nice uniform look. And once the outside is dry, I'm going to flip it over and actually paint the bottom as well. So here's this little planter, and yeah, I'm going to give that a coat, 2 coats actually of the same color, and then we'll be decorating this as well. I will do the second coat off camera just like the other piece. Hold tight.
Especially the attorneys have sacrificed a lot, of family time, of things that they need to do during regular business hours. Like, we're able to get done. So for 2 full days and part of today, I had to unplug, focus on the things, back to my kids, back to my, everyday life that needs to get things done. And, it just makes me think of how much, I mean, not only her family, but her kids' routine sacrifice to fight this it's hard to believe, being that I have my own show like for 8 hours a day and you're all here listening to me. Yes, I got the microdose new video. Yes, fantastic. Got that too. Got everything. I got interviews with Mr.
If you're lost and you're feeling low, all stressed out with no place to go, you need something to ease your troubled mind. Social media and sleepless nights, final call for the deadline flight. All you want is to leave it all behind. Now there is a simple remedy to stay fit for all eternity. Spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. Spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. And you don't have to watch your weight. Load up your portion control plate. Just a spoonful burns the fat away. It's fantastic and it's for free. And as long as you agree to be the product, you'll never have to pay. 'Cause there is a simple remedy to stay fit for all eternity. Spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. Spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. It's okay. Panacea, a cure for everything. Panacea, whatever problem life may bring, can be dissolved in a spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. Spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. Just a simple spoonful, just a spoonful.
Thank you for watching the Summerween video presented by the Flippin' Bunch. If you're interested in watching more about the Flippin' Bunch, consider subscribing to Flippin' Bunch's own channel, and you'll find that on YouTube at Flippin' Bunch. And it's a new channel, so we hope to be putting more and more videos out there and offering lots of fun challenges as time goes on. So make sure you watch the playlist, which is posted at the end of this video. I will have it as a link at the end, and I will also post it below in the text. I want to wish you a wonderful rest of your weekend and all good and beautiful things.